What's up guys, Mild here. Today we're gonna unbox the Creality Sonic Pad. I'm a big fan of 3D printing. I have a few 3D printers myself and I'm already wasting too much money and too much time as reasonable for that, but I also love Clipper and I always want to try this one out. So now I'm getting a chance to do so, and yeah, we're gonna unbox the new one. I really heard good things about the Sonic Pad because of the last updates. Creality really improved a lot of things about that. So we'll see. So first we're gonna unbox it. Looks like some stickers, Creality stickers, look quite cool. A nice addition. Qualified certificate, so it probably means that it's original or something. So we're gonna go to the Sonic Pad in a second. We're gonna look what else comes in the packaging. Seems to be some additional stuff like cables. Here you do have your USB cable with some adapters, USB Type-C and micro USB. This seems to be the ADXL sensor for your input shipping. Nice. That's a standard micro USB to USB cable. It's braided, not bad. That's the adapter for other countries, as it seems like. So that's what I'm using. Interesting. And that's the power brick for your Sonic Pad. And another, I'm not sure for which country this exactly is. But we're gonna go and plug the European or the German one, because that's what I'm gonna use. And it does click, and voila, here we go. So everything else we're gonna put again inside of the card box, except maybe the USB stick. Probably gonna need that soon. Okay, this seems to be the manual. I'm quite looking forward to get into this, on how much information I can take out of this. So one bad thing I heard about the Sonic Pad is that Creality, unfortunately, doesn't really let you look into the Sonic Pad too much. So they also determine how frequently the updates for Clipper and whatnot is going to happen. So keep that in mind. I don't have really a problem with that. So I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that if Creality thinks updates should be done like they do so, because on the same time, for not that experienced people, I think the Sonic Pad is a quite good solution to get into the world of Clipper and whatnot. but it seems to be quite throughout manual, which explains, I think, the whole process about that. Really good. Okay, now let's look into the sonic pad itself. If I'm not mistaken, it's around 7" of real screen estate. It's plastic, so nothing too unusual here. On the top, blank. On the left side, you do have 2 USB ports. Downside is blank. On the right side, you do have a power on button. On the back, you do have again a USB, or you have 2 USB connections, which is basically one for your camera, that's for your power, that's for your internet, Ethernet, and that's for your ADXL sensor. The question I have is, does it start even without power? I don't think so. But yeah, nevertheless, I'm going to test it out. I have a new printer coming, which is the Ender 2 Pro, which I'm going to try the sonic pad with, and with my other printers as well. This is some kind of stand, yes. So this is a built-in stand, which I really dig. I like that. So nevertheless, thank you a bunch for watching. Stay tuned for my new videos. If you have any questions, hit me up down below in the comments area. Thank you a bunch for watching, and see you in my other videos. Bye guys.